still about branding and marketing. You know, there's so many reasons, so why a brand like Jesa, like Dairy, Fresh Dairy can sit down and brand team or marketing team someone, for example, a miner, representing on their different brands or on their different products. You know, such companies, such big companies have a lot of brands and they have a lot of products. So today in our points of Atano, Rachi, Omwana, Amanyidwanga, baby Altezza, yawangudde ekya brand ambassador kyabata alamanyidwanga Jessa yogurt amanyidwanga Jessa mukire company eno eri under omubaganda right now abantu bakuki maaso era ngaekola products nyingi nnyo omuli amata omuli yogurt omuli yes different types of yogurt nebikwatagana mata mata basinga okukolaki okusinga era nga wamukuba brand ambassador sokuzayo kemabega abadde bandikogwema namakula yalabadeko brand ambassador fig for maker yalabadeko brand ambassador waabwe shiba kalungi yalabadeko ne brand ambassador waabwe so bazze bafuna ba influencers ab'enjawulo abantu abalina erinnya okubanga babafuula ba brand ambassador and the latest gwe baadinzeeko yamanyiddwa nga baby Altezza. So abasingadde bakubaganya empower because waddewo n'olutalo ku TikTok nga waliwo omwana omupya omwana omuto nga mama we naye amufuwa fandiza okulamuka mu madiiwe okubanga akolaki ng'afuuka ambassador wa Jessa naye ndowooza teyabadde lucky enough era akalulu kavudde ku baby Altezza. So bekakuba ensonga nga ttaano zenzunuulidde ngali mu branding and marketing lwaki Jessa esobola okuvaayo neeronda baby Altezza okubeera nga ate brand ambassador waabwe wa yogurt waabwe katwainabakolakigulagezaako okubanga bapromotinga n'okubanga batunda mu bantu era ensonga zimutanjagala osuubiriza nnyo tezirimu kyekubeera but just looking at it from the brands and marketing point of view. So esookaddala tugenda kuya ensonga manyidwa nga authenticity. Authenticity eno ekulamu nnyo mu bantu abakulu. Authenticity is genuine and authentic voice that can easily resonate with their audience. Abaana bano abato oba otunuulira ebikolwa byabwe bange babikola nga tebamaze tebeebuuzizza nnyo omwana omuto wanaaba alyayo gati tajja kunonooza nnyamulidde atya yajja mulya mu ngeri gy'alowoozaamu emunyumira. That is the authenticity. Ekitegedde nti ajja kikola nga kiri genuine nti naawe akiraba ojja kuba okyagala. Osekere nnyo nti omwana omulabe abadde agenda mu fridge najjayo gati oba muyiikidde oba tamuyiikidde ye nga teyeefiira oba muliisiza jiiko oba tamuliisiza jiiko oba muliisiza kaseko oba mukutte mukukwasira ngalo. That is the authenticity gye tuwogerako that can easily resonate with the audience gye bagezaako okutuusa ebintu nga olaba amata ga Jessa nga olaba ayogati wa Jessa. Why? Because so many parents love their kids to enjoy something without them bagamba tikyakukola nga bakikola nga bali mu kukirya. My Uganda is a little bit funny but we shall go on. So authenticity, the genuinity that is in their action, in the baby's action when consuming or when taking this yogurt is one of the reasons why Jessa brand's team or marketing team sat down and chose to use baby Altezza as their brand ambassador for their Jessa product or yogurt. So that is one of the things, and if you easily see the actions of the baby, you see that there's scripted, that someone scripted abana agenda mu fubano agenda mu fridge oba mu fridge oje ate otule omala okutula ate oli omala okulya ate weesangule tafaayo oba amuyidde ku ngoye oba tamuyidde. That is the authenticity, number one reason that every brand looks out. Is this someone authentic? Byanakola bina resonating ne audience yaffe twagala okukozesa yogurt. That is the number one point. Because I remember when Baby Gloria was given also the brand ambassadorship of Movit by then, because as they apply to different stages. Then olaba mbuno naye bamuwagula because yali mwana muto nga they're selling a product to young kids. Era otunya yogurt n'abasinga abaana bato. So she was authentic mu bintu ebyakola mu envirize ebizibu. So authenticity is one of those things that we have to look out for each brand that looks out when they are to hire an influencer, and also when they are hiring maybe Altezza to be an influencer for Jessa yogurt. The next reason our brands and marketing team is how relatable. Relatability. How relatable is the family and the family, the children to this product. Okay, so children can be so much relatable to other children and families, making them effective ambassadors for brands targeting their demographic. So if you see a product being consumed by a baby, meaning another baby, when they see a baby eating or consuming this product, this yogurt, they will still want to consume them like them. Instead of seeing your man on Tonga dying, the mwana munne n'amulaba, kitegeeza nti nno agenda kwagala okusamba nga ye. Families on a large scale ziba zitunulidde abaana bano nga bakonsuminga nga omwana alabika bulungi nga baby Altezza, ali healthy, alina amatama, alina omubiri, emikono gyonna gizimbye. Omuzadde ng'alina omwana badalowooza muno maybe talabika bulungi, they want to go ahead to buy yogurt ono, thinking that alimu ekiriisa ekigenda okuleetera omwana we okuba ng'alabika bulungi. So you see that relationship. So when kids are used, it is very easy for other children and families to relate to that product, and hence selling to the demographic of the brands and marketing team. So kitegeeza muno baby Altezza ekimu ku byamuweesezza ambassador it's because relatinga ne abantu Jessa bayagala okuguza product yaabwe. So it's not that because adene ojeko yokuba muna following nyinyi abadde bakoze noise mungi about her. No, it's because relating that she can easily relate. She's relatable to the kind of people, the market, the families and the children that Jessa is targeting to sell this product. So this relationship, this relatability, by shooting at their cells. So that is also one of the other reasons. Then the other reason is the innocence and charm. So many children's innocence and charm can be leveraged to promote products and services in a way that is endearing and memorable. So remember, these children, they are always innocent when they are consuming or when they are promoting these products. So you see, even the Bible talks about it. If we want to go to the kingdom of heaven, we have to be like children, because children are so innocent. Even if they're doing something, they don't first think a lot. The charm that comes along. So one of the other reasons is because that charm on a child's face can easily make another person get influenced to buy. So that is a leverage, okay, for the company like Jessa to promote. So the child is innocence and charm is also another reason, major reason why Jessa came out and said no, we have to use baby Altezza as our brand ambassador, or as our influencer. So not only that, now let's talk about the social media presence, because that is also the fourth factor and one of the major factors why Jessa decided to use baby Altezza as their media influencer, or as their brand influencer. So omwana ono aina social media presence ya amaanyi. Era bw'otunyera ku page ye ne page ya daddy we almost eri mu mitwalo 10+. Okitegedde eri mitwalo 10+ of followers, which is a big number. Abasinga gye batalina. So bw'abeera ng'alina following ne following enereeta high engagement, kitegeeza nti no buli video gy'ateekayo, ekintu ky'ayogera, buli kikolwa ky'akola kigenda kuleeta engagement eyo bw'ejjawo ku social media platforms. Kitegeeza muno abantu egenda kuleeta brand awareness. Bw'aleeta brand awareness, kitegeeza people will go ahead to try out this product, people will go ahead to buy this product. Reason being, this person has a high social media engagement. All influence. So ensonga ezimu ezaweeseza baby Altezza abasinga zibatazumidde ezamunyeseza kwa brand ambassadorship wa Jesa yogurt. Okay, like I was saying, and I was giving you some benefits for brands powerful Nambuya era guess choose brand ambassador wawe oba brand influencer wawe oba marketeer wawe wayinza kuba bafuna Nambuya deals mostly ya baby Altezza. Kugambye nti no, first of all it's going to cause them increased brand awareness everywhere. Two, kugambye kigenda kubaletera okubanga baso promoting their product. Yes, product promotion, because in most cases it's going to be effective for them to promote their products and services to their followers on all social media platforms. Then three, it's going to apply to more content, because someone is now given a job to create content for them. So why am I saying about, why am I talking about content creation? It's because most child influencers create engaging content, okay, that showcases the brand's products. Not only that, in a unique and creative way. Because you see kids engage wakolamu ebintu byabwe kyonna abayagala okudaba, and kids tukira tebalina nnyo bingi byakukola inadde away from school, away from being home and playing. Kati uno omwana muto natandika nakusoma, so it's going to create more content for the brand Jessa ne yogurt wawe, which will also lead to product promotion, and then which will also later on lead to increased brand awareness. But lastly, Jessa agenda ku benefiting mu area family friendly content. Remember, children influencers often create family friendly content that is suitable for a wide range of audiences. Content wabana njagala okijjukire muno, in most cases talent limited to who's going to watch gafa abakulu, because wayinza ogamba kusigenda mulaba because agenda kuba ayambadde vest naye agenda kubasoma yeyangu agenda kuba tayambadde bulungi, but content w'abaana bano wakigamba agenda kubeera family egenda kufunamu, because abaana abato bakola nnyo family friendly content. Now we are appealing at almost a wide range of audience, kuva ku baana bato paka ku bantu bakulu. Walaba content w'omwana teyesitaza, omwana omuto walaba content wa mwana munne still amuwulira. So this is going to cut across all ages from 1 year or up to around those 30 to 45 years, which means Jessa ejja okutunda products zayo across all audiences because of the family friendly content omwana munyagenzagenyagenakulakolaki ngakola. But I think I've exhausted not everything, but I think I've pinpointed out the 5 reasons why Jessa chose baby Altezza to be the brand ambassador, and I've also given you the other 5 how Jessa is going to benefit from baby Altezza, because it's actually two-way. Baby Altezza benefiting ate ne Jessa ngayo brand nayo benefiting. So thank you so much for being part of this vlog today. I just wanted to make these things out clear and loud, so that the one was saying so we take it out to different brands like Jesa, Fresh Dairy, choosing some influencer, tamanya lwaki choosing bakibalonzo omuntu oyo ebintu bino ebitano byogedde kabiina waba bina nekitegeeza otalina kyekibajja munda. So it's a two-way thing. You have to benefit, and also the brand ambassadors also to benefit. So as I wrap up, we have montage studios is on board. They are so good at photography, videography. Era abantu basangibwa wonna kulabye ku bitaala ekizimbe kya Prime Tower. Just go ahead and hit up their boxes at 0702 10 41 25. Bajja kuba bakutuusaako each and everything to do with videography, photography, ate nga basomesa n'okusomesa. So byonna ayagala okuba ebifaananyi, okukwata videos ez'ebikolo, documentaries, okukwata film, okuzeditinga n'okuziproducinga. Please go there, ojja kukwata obufunye okubasenta akasamusamu ajja kuba baki ajja kuba bakutuusaako embeera n'okuba kuba etambula ebire nga tebakwasaganya. Abakole banyuma mu kuleeta ebifaananyi ne mulimbwa naye this time ontawete big company esobola okuba ekifaananyi osigala nga Smith. As always, catch you in the next vlog in the evening. We shall be talking about some other thing, because I told you I'm going to be talking about so many other things. So catch you till then.